Welcome back to another Dessert King video.
Alright, so today we're going to be making key lime bars. You're going to need 1 teaspoon lime zest, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 box or 11 ounces of vanilla wafers with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of lime juice, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, 5 egg yolks. That's all. Let's start. Alright, so you're going to take the butter and the vanilla wafers and sugar and put them all in a food processor. Alright, so then you're going to line it with parchment paper. Okay, so then you're going to put it into the pan. Alright, and then once you're doing that, then you're going to preheat the oven for 350. And bake it for 15 to 17 minutes. Alright, so then in a medium bowl, you're gonna add 1 can sweetened condensed milk, egg yolks, so 5 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon lime zest. Okay, so once you have that, it's okay if it just came out. You're gonna take this and pour it over the cooked vanilla wafers, or we'll cover it and refrigerate it for 4 hours. Okay, so to make the top layer, you're going to take 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar, and mix it till stiff peaks form. Once you have it in the freezer for 4 hours, take it out, and then you're gonna spread this on the top of the bars. Alright, and there's your bars. And then you can cut them up. Just make sure to keep them cold, because otherwise the middle will defrost and it'll all spread out. Alright, now let's eat it.